Describe your successes and failures with money and your profession. Do you consider yourself a good or bad manager of finances? Are you fulfilled in your career? Next, consider your current financial situation. Mark your present level of satisfaction for each. Income, most satisfied, satisfied, least satisfied. Expenses, most satisfied, satisfied, or least satisfied. Your job, are you most satisfied, satisfied, or least satisfied? Number 3, list any behaviors, patterns, or circumstances in your life that seem to be undermining your professional or financial development. What feels contradictory to your values as they relate to your employment and your management of finances? 4, summarize your previous answers into a brief sentence or paragraph. Identify any barriers or obstacles to your professional development that you want to overcome. This is your financial FIRE problem statement.